And away we go here in Group D. A team that has players playing at high levels in Europe, has progressed tremendously. Line drive to the penalty spot. Set play here for Haiti. Good look from the penalty spot. Blocked. And a play. Initially. Back the other way for Suriname. Black State down. Comes all the way through on the backside for Hoekstra, pulling it wide. Oh, Isabel Hoekstra, an opportunity to give Suriname the lead. Renee. In field, generating space, going for goal. Landed at the spot. Selena Babb, but she lost it fortunately for Suriname, sail wide. Rachel Van Netten. Van Netten delivering the header. Much on it from Kronenberg. And had a play. Disqualifying phase, make it through. Kick floated in. Selena Babb has it. Ahead by Hoekstra. Slip through, flag stays down. Van Netten lashes on. Puts it back. Van Netten goes for a goal, and it's saved. Now the Lewis out for a corner. That far side, Chante Mary Dompig with the opportunity. From the corner, drops it in, good weight on that ball. The header glanced on. Goal kick. Perhaps a bit surprising still that this is scoreless. Samajo. Punched away by Lewisson. And behind, Duvernay letting it go through. Stopped by Babb. Chance to line this one up. It's pulled wide. Don't pig. Played back toward goal. It's got a